Guys, let's take a look at how to create how to host our website for free on GitHub. Okay, so we first of all sign in or sign up. So if you don't have an account on GitHub, you just sign up. Okay, for me, I have an account on GitHub. So what I have to do is that I need to sign in. Okay, so I need to put in my username, or before you sign in, okay, they'll ask you to create a username or the email that you use and then your password, so you can sign it like that. So I'll sign. Good. So I've signed in to my dashboard. Let's wait for a while. Alright, so this is my dashboard. So you realize that you can see a lot of projects that I have done here. So now what you have to do is that we have to create you press on this green icon here, new, then it will bring you to, you have what you call, it brings you to this particular session or page, and then you have what you call create a new repository. So what you have to do is that you give it a name to your website. So in this case, I'll give it hotel. The repository is just like a folder, okay, that you are going to put all your files inside at the GitHub. Okay, so you must always make sure that you create a repository for your project, and make sure that the repository is also available. Okay, now you come to the description. Let me cancel this and write it again. Okay, so now hotel is available. Now we have the description. The description is just about a little information that you want to put or you want to add to the website. So it's not all that, it's optional. Okay, then you quickly come to the very important here is the configuration. The choose visibility is either you want it to be in public or private. Okay, so if you want you alone to see it, okay, you just press on the private. Okay, or if you want the public to see it, you want everybody to see it, that you can share the link to anybody to maybe check your website, you just press on the public. And then what you have to do quickly, here all of these things are optional, so just press on create repository. Just wait for it to load a little. Now you can see that you have your repository name here. Just as I said, the repository is just like a folder, okay, where you are going to put all your files inside. Okay, now here to upload your files, you have a lot of ways of doing that. Okay, but for now, let's do the manual one. So you just scroll down here and you are going to see upload an existing file. So what you have to do is that you just press on upload the existing file, and then it will bring you to this particular page. So what you have to do is that you have two ways. Either you press on choose all files, or you copy. So this is the file, my work that I want to upload to my GitHub. So what I have to do is that you can see this is a folder. The folder name is assignment, and then these are the files. So what I have to do is that I will highlight all the files, okay, and drag all of them to, you see that we have 7 files. Okay, take note of that. So I'll drag all of them to my GitHub page, and then please make sure that all the files that you uploaded are being uploaded on the GitHub session. So you can see here that you have all the files here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I have my 7 files. So if you want to, you don't need any of the files, or you don't want you to upload it to your folder, which is the repository, okay, you just cancel it from here. Okay, so that is good to go. Then after that, you can add a little description, which is exceptional. You can add a file which is also exceptional. Okay, normally if you do it is optional. okay, but I would like us to add something to it. So this is my hotel files, okay, or these are my these are my hotel files. Then you press on commit. Just wait for your files to be uploaded. So now you can see I have my folder, which is my repository. Okay, I just mentioned I'll just use the folder for you to understand. So this is my repository, and then these are my files. These are my files. Okay, now the next thing that you have to do now, if you want to, later on I'll teach you if you want to add more files. Okay, I will teach you how to do it. So now the next thing that you have to do is go to settings, then you scroll down, then you go to pages. Good. And then at pages you scroll down once again, then you come to the branch. Very important. So you select main, then press on save. Okay, good. So we are all set. So what you have to do is that you make sure that you refresh your page as many as you can, depending on your, this process may take about 1 to 5 minutes, depending on the speed of your internet. So you refresh as many times as it requires to get your link, okay, the link for your website. Okay, now you can see that I have the link is being provided. Your site is live at https:/passmanual. The pass manual is my username that I mentioned earlier, and then GitHub is the platform that I'm using, .io/hotel. The hotel is the repository that I created. So this is the site, this is the address that you always try you share with people. Okay, so if you want anyone to see your website online, this is the site that you need to share. So now let's try to visit the site and see what we have for us. Good. So my website is alive. My site is alive. Okay, so you can share this particular link with anybody around the globe, and then you are good to go. So this is how we deploy a website for free on GitHub. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the page, like and comment also. Thank you. All the best.